Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 3 named longest substring without repeating characters. In this problem, we are given a string S. Now we have to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Now, in this example 1, the string is ABC, ABC, BB. Now here, the answer is ABC because this substring ABC or this substring ABC does not have any other repeating characters. So here the length is 3. And in the second example, all of this 5B is the string. Now each of the individual B is a substring of length 1, which is not repetitive. That's why we have to return 1. In the third example, PWW, here, KEW does not have any other repeating characters. So the length is 3. We have to return it. And here the string length can be in between 0 to 5 into 10 to the power 4. And each of the characters consists of English letters, digits, and symbol and spaces. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. To understand the algorithm, we have taken this example. Here, we can see that the substring ABC does not have any other repeating characters, and here the substring ABC also does not have any other repeating characters. So the answer is 3 here. But the substring ABCA, it has repeating characters because it has 2 of the A, so it cannot consider as the answer. So how can you solve the problem? One approach is very trivial. We have to check each of the substring starting from the first index, and we have to check whether in this substring does it have any of the repeating characters. If it is, we have to ignore it. Otherwise, we have to consider its length. Now, we have to do this operation for every characters, for each of the A, for each of the B, and for each of the C, and so on. Now, in this approach, we have to check all of the substring possible. So the time complexity of this algorithm will become big O of n square, which is very costly. Now, let us try to understand how can we shift this time complexity big O of n square into big O of n, which is a linear time complexity. Now, if somehow we can shift this big O of n square time complexity to big O of n, the algorithm will be finalized. Now, to reduce the complexity, we will use simply the sliding window technique. How the sliding window technique operates here? Basically, it's a window that shifts from left to right, and each of the iteration, we will simply calculate the answer. Now, for this problem, let's take 2 pointers. One is a start pointer, another is ending pointer. Now, we have to determine whether this substring contains all of the unique element. Yes, it is. So we have to shift our end pointer here. Now, our end pointer is pointing to this B. Now here, in this substring A and B, all of the characters are unique. So we have to shift our B pointer to this C. Now here, A, B, C are unique. So far, so good. So we have to shift our end pointer to this A. Now there comes the drama. In this substring, we have found 2 of the A. So here, we have to discard the first A and shift the left pointer or the starting pointer to the B. Now, this BCA contains all of the unique element. So we have to shift our ending pointer to this B. Now, BCAB contains 2b. So here we have to discard this b as well. Now we have to shift our pointer here. Now our string is C, A, and B. It is a substring. All of the elements are unique. So we have to shift our upper pointer or ending pointer to this C. Now we have found two of the C into the substring. So we have to discard this C as well. So far, so good. Now this substring A, B, and C, all of the elements are unique. So we have to shift our ending pointer into this position B. So here A, B, C, and B, all of them are not unique because here comes the real drama. We have found two of the B here. So according to the convention, we have to discard this left element. Now our pointer is we have to discard this left element. Now our pointer is pointing to this C. So our substring is now CB, which is all of the elements are unique. So we have to shift our left pointer to this B as well. Now this substring C, B, and B contains duplicate B, so we have to discard it, and we have to discard this B as well. So here we can see that after completing the iteration, the maximum length of non-repeating characters is 3. So here, this is the basic sliding window technique, and we can simply check the repeating characters by using the set or by using the map data structure, whatever you want to use. And the overall time complexity of this algorithm is big O of n. And the overall space complexity will also be big O of n because of the set or map data structure. I hope you understood this sliding window technique. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named length of longest substring, which has a string s as a parameter. Now we are taking two pointers, start and max length value. All of them are 0, and n is the size of the string. Now we are calculating or taking a map. Now we are running loop while the end index is less than n, and we have to increase the frequency of end character to the map. Now we have to repetitively check some of the things. One is if the substring length, which is end minus start plus 1, not equal to map size. That means this substring has repetitive value. Now we have to remove the start character from the front. So here MP of start character minus minus. Now if the start character's frequency is 0, we have to remove the entry from the map. After removing the start character, we have to upgrade the pointer of start. And after completing this loop, we have to upgrade our max value, which is maximum of max cell, and string, which is start plus 1. Finally, we have to increase the end value as well. After that, we have to return the maximum value we have calculated. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.